Good morning students. Now we will start new exercise. Find out page number 97. Division with remainder. REMAINDER remainder. So take out your maths notebook. Now we will do. First question 86 divided by 3. So 86 dividend and 3 is divisor. So right here heading divide the following and mention date also. So 86 divided by 3, 3 is divisor. So we know first 8 divided by 3. So 3 1 the 3, 3 2 just 6 and 3 3 ja 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So we will write here 6. 3 2 just 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Write here 2 and next 6 is left, so right here 6, so it will be 26. And now 26 divided by 3, so 3 8 ja 24 and 3 3 ja 3 9 ja 27 greater than 26, so we will take 24 and 3 8 ja 24, so right here 8 and 24 right here. At 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 is remainder and 28 is question. Okay. Next 2 is remainder and 28 is question. Next 58 divided by 5. So first 5 divided by 5, 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. So 1 right here and 5 right here. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 8 is left, so right here 8. And now 8 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 10 is greater than 8, so we will write here 5. 5 1 ja 5, so 1 right here and 5 right here. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So it is remainder and it is quotient. So right answer quotient 11 and remainder 3. Next 69 divided by 6. So first 6 divided by 6, 6 1 ja 6, so 1 right here and 6 right here. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 and 9 is left, so right here 9. And now 9 divided by 6, so 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 12 is greater than 9, so we will take 6. 6 1 ja 6, so 1 right here and 6 right here. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, so it is remainder. Okay, so we will write answer quotient 11, it is quotient and remainder is 3, so we will write here remainder 3. Next 67 divided by 3. So first 6 divided by 3, so 3 2 ja 6, so 2 right here and 6 right here. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now 7 is left, so right here 7. And now 7 divided by 3, so 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9 is greater than 7, so we will take 6 only. So 3 2 ja 6, so right here 2 and 6 right here. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, so quotient is 22 and remainder is 1. So we will write answer quotient 22 and remainder is 1. Next 97 divided by 5. So first 9 divided by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 10 is greater than 9, so we will take 5. 5 1 ja 5, so 1 right here in quotient place and 5 right here in ones place, tens place. So 9 के नीचे लिखेंगे and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 7 is left, so right here 7, it will be 7 to 47 and 47 divided by 5. So 5 9 ja 45, so 9 right here and 45 right here. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, so it is remainder and it is quotient. Right answer quotient 19 and remainder 2. Next 94 divided by 7. So first 9 divided by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. 14 is greater than 9, so we will take 7. 7 1 ja 7, so right here 1 and 7 right here. And 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 and we will take 4, so it will be 24. And now 24 divided by 7. So 24 divided by 7. So 7 3 is 21 and 7 4 is 28. 28 greater than 24. So we will take 21. So 7 3 is 21. 3 right here and 21 right here. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is remainder and it is quotient. So quotient 13 and remainder 3. Next question 45 divided by 4. So first 4 divided by 4. 4 banja 4. So right here 1 and 4 right here. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And 5 is left. So right here 5. 5 divided by 4. So 5 banja. So 4 banja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we will take 4. 4 banja 4. So 1 right here and 4 right here. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So it is remainder and it is quotient. So quotient 11 and remainder 1. Next 85 divided by 3. So first 8 divided by 3. So 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. So 9 is greater than 8. Okay, so we will take 6. So 3 2 ja 6. So right here 2 and 6 right here. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And 5 is left, so we will take 5, so it will be 25. And now 25 divided by 3. So 3 8 ja 24 and 3 9 ja 27. So 27 greater than 25, so we will take 24. 3 8 ja 24. So right here 8 and 24 right here. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is remainder and it is quotient. So we will write answer quotient 28 and remainder 1. Next 93 divided by 5. So first 9 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So 10 is greater than 9. So we will take 5. 5 1 ja 5. So right here 1 and 5 right here. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And 3 left, so we will write here 3, so it will be 43. And now 43 divided by 5. So 5 8 ja 40 and 5 9 ja 45. So 45 greater than 43. So we will take 40. 5 8 ja 40. So 8 right here and 40 right here. And 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So it is remainder and it is quotient. So we will write answer quotient 18 and remainder 3. So exercise is complete. Do in notebook. Thank you class.